To start with, I would like to explain the difference between milk tea and tea latte. So a milk tea is usually, it has more tea than milk. So yun ang mga karaniwang nabibili ninyo sa mga milk tea shops or mga bubble tea shops. Tea latte, on the other hand, has more milk than tea. And this is normally, you can buy them from like Starbucks or, you know, yung mga medyo posh naman na milk tea and coffee shops. So that's what you call tea latte pag mas maraming gatas. So today, I'm going to show you these two types of drink using caramel milk tea and caramel tea latte. And we're going to use 16-ounce cup. You can use your own formula, make some adjustments para naman medyo maiba at medyo ma-upgrade yung drink nyo. Or you can use exactly the same formula, kaya lang pwede nyo gamitin yung method na gagamitin natin ngayon. For this demo, I'm going to use the Taiwanese tea. So it's just a regular black tea. You can use any black tea. For a 16-ounce cup, I normally use 1 full scoop of black tea. So this time, so Chao, we always brew our tea using an espresso machine. So this is what we're going to do. So I have here 1 full scoop. Medyo dadagdag ako ngayon because I want to brew for 2 cups, which is the milk tea and the tea latte. So for this one, I'm going to use 2 scoops. A little bit more. Here, 5 ounces of brewed tea. This is what we're going to use for our milk tea. And this is 2 ounces of tea, which we will use for our tea latte. So remember, mas maraming cha sa milk tea, less than cha sa tea latte. 5 ounces of brewed tea. And because this is caramel milk tea, matamis na yung caramel. So I'm just going to use 1 ounce of milk syrup. Napakita ko na rin sa inyo kung paano gumawa ng milk syrup. Again, it's your choice. Kung gusto niyo gumamit ng creamer, you can also use creamer. But here, we use milk syrup. So 1 ounce of milk syrup. Tabi ko muna siya dito. And then, I'm going to make a topping for my milk tea. I'm going to use some milk foam. So again, we fill this jug 1/3 of the cup. So this is 100 grams of our golden pearl. Then let's put our ice. Then, this is the fun part. I like this part. This is our homemade caramel sauce. So, why do we use homemade? Sa Chao, we prefer to use homemade because I really don't like the thought of having preservatives sa aking mga sauce if I can make them myself. So, try this one. 3 ounces of fresh milk, that's 1, 2, and 3. So 3 ounces of fresh milk. Tabi mo natin siya. And then I will just put 1 ounce of milk syrup. Then, maghahaluin ko muna. This is our latte mix. I call this the latte mix. So, milk and a little bit of milk syrup para medyo full and thicker yung ating latte. So, that's it. And then, so, konting ice lang lagay natin. Tapos, pour the milk. That's our milk. Then we have our homemade caramel, which is so yummy. Put it here. And then the last is our tea. Paano natin? Drink. Two types of caramel tea drink. This is the caramel milk tea. You can see it's more tea than milk. And this is your caramel tea latte. Two different ways of presenting your tea. Perfect. I like the golden pearls because it really matches the color of the caramel and the tea and also the milk. So I'll try this one first, which is the caramel milk tea. It's creamier, made creamier, yung milk foam na nilagay natin sa ibabaw. I'll try this. It's so delicious. And the golden pearl is very, very chewy, very, very soft. Remember ang pagluto ng golden pearl, ng pearls, ng tapioca pearls. If you haven't seen my video on how to cook tapioca pearls, please check it out. Delicious. Ang diferensya ng lasa ng milk tea, the milk tea is more refreshing kasi parang siya ang naiinom mo dito. Tapos as you drink it talaga, it just refreshes you. The taste of the tea is stronger. Sa latte naman, the taste of the milk is stronger, but you can taste a little bit of the tea. And this time, the caramel as well. Kaya lang, pagka latte ninom nyo, mas nakakabusog siya agad kaysa sa milk tea. But everyone has his own taste. So I hope you learned something today. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. And ciao for now.